Have you ever wondered where Vietnamese hair extension come from? That K-hair factory can produce and export tons of hair every month. Or have you ever wondered how K-hair factory can produce Vietnamese hair extension with the best quality in such a short time? I'm Justin, store manager of K-hair factory, and in this video, please follow me to visit the production process of Vietnamese hair extension in the factory. First of all, purchasing hair. The first and most crucial phase in the production process is this one. Vietnamese young females between the age of 18 and 30 will have their hair harvested primarily in highlands or rural areas. The majority of females in these places wash their hair with natural material rather than chemicals, and as a result, their hair is soft, strong, and rich in keratin and always naturally shiny. The second step is sorting. After being collected from Vietnamese women, hair will be grafted into bundles. But at all the time, the hair bundles include hairs of various lengths. Workers at the K-hair factory will start sorting the hair as soon as they arrive in order to ensure that the hair completed product is even and attractive and meets all the expectations of the customer. Step 3. Pulling out the hair. Workers will remove the fibers to verify that there are no short hairs in the bundle and to assist the bundle reach the correct length. Then the hair will be arranged in one direction to produce the best quality Vietnamese hair. The fourth step is sewing hair weft. This is a crucial stage in the creation of a weft bundle. A weft line is between 1 and 2 meters long, and professional workers will stitch the hair. To create a flawless product, the workers must have years of sewing machine experience. We continuously study new stitching technique in order to create a growing number of weft bundles of the highest quality. The fifth step is washing. Workers wash the hair by soaking it into shampoo and conditioner to remove dirt and oil. To prevent the hair from being damaged, K-hair factory's workers delicately handle the entire process by hand. Before moving on to the next phase, the washing process of the hair will be repeated until it is wholly clean. The sixth step is drying the hair. Instead of using a dryer to dry hair after wash, natural sunlight will be used because this keeps the hair natural shine, not dry and frizzy. Although this way may take more time than using a hair dryer, doing this will help maintain its qualities and prevent harms to the hair. The seventh step is styling. The final step in the production of Vietnamese hair extension is styling. The factory can curl, dye, or straighten hair depending on the order of each customer. Above is the entire production process of Vietnamese hair extension at K-hair factory. I hope that this video has given you an overview of the hair production process with many complex processes. If you would like me to come back with more useful videos like this, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to K-hair factory YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more videos on K-hair factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.